Well, there's one way to start off a video. There we go. Look at that thing. That's a pretty good size one. Nice red-breasted sunfish. Well, some people may call it pumpkin seed. I don't know. I guess. But that dude, whoo, he's rocking them colors right now. Thick, healthy fish. Let's catch another. Let me try to explain what I'm doing here. I am trying to keep this thing up in the top of the water column, right? Up about as high as I can, because this ain't a deep creek. It's really shallow. And I reel it a couple times and I'll pop it like I'm tapping the table. Let it float. Sometimes I guess with flies, I mean maybe these are mimicking flies, I don't know. But a lot of times you want to go up river and then come back down. Especially when the water's moving slow or moving at all really, I guess. Because there's not many bait fish that are going to swim upstream. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, two. I think it's two. Yeah, two. Look at that.